Alright guys, welcome to your video lecture and introduction. I hope you can hear me. Mr. Ransom's in the background, he's in a different room, but I hope you can hear me. So I'm going to introduce what we're doing today. It is an independent assignment, meaning that it's no instruction because this is review actually from when we studied our climate change. We're doing a biome coloring review. So we've already talked about biome, remember the different parts of the world. If you have a notebook, you've got one that looks like this in your notebook. So for each square, I want you to try and draw the vegetation and animals that you would find inside a tropical rainforest. So the idea is that you give me a snapshot of what it would look like if I traveled to each of these biomes. Now again, if you have your notebook, you've got one created for you. If you do not have a notebook, because I want this done on pencil and paper, this cannot just be you typing into a box. It's got to be either drawn or created. I would accept a Google drawing. So if you drew them, I will not accept already made pictures, as in you Google a picture of the tropical rainforest and then you put it in there. That's not going to fly. You either need to draw it yourself or use digital drawing methods. If you're virtual, you're going to need to complete a coloring sheet that looks just like this. So you're going to make this on your own. You'll take a paper, divide it into 4 sections, and then you'll color each of the biomes. You're going to use this. If you don't know what kind of animals and organisms are found in the biomes, we're going to use this website. This should look familiar. We've already used this, which talks about the different biomes of the world. So you've got a brief description here, but if you click it, it'll bring you to an even greater description. And then if you click plants or animals of the rainforest, you get an even better idea of the organisms that are found inside each of these biomes. So you're going to take a picture. All right, I hope this helps and I hope you understand. Remember, you need to use your own artistic abilities to make this work. Have a great day.